Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market after the flash crash which we received about 2 days ago, the market's in a consolidation phase. Bitcoin's trying to stay above the 69k milestone and Dogecoin is holding just above 14.5 and BNB is still very close to 700. If you pay attention to the meme coins, you will realize that they are not in the best form right now. We're back to the stage where only the 6 tokens are above the $1 billion milestone, and at the same time there is going to be a little bit of a push that will be required. This is the perfect time to get into those small altcoins that you personally like and make sure that you're able to, get a DCA and make sure you're able to get a good price. And there's one token that you should be paying attention to. I have mentioned this token before and I'll mention it again. The one I'm talking about is Vener AI. If you have not heard about this token, well, you have just come to the best video of your life. Keep in mind, the first time I talked about this token, the money that they raised on their pre-sale was close to 200,000. Right now it's over 5 million. So there's already a 25x that has already come into place. Is it too late to buy this token now? And the answer is no, because you need to understand that this is still only getting started. Even if you decide to buy right now, in my take, I personally feel like this token will end off just the pre-sale on close to 15 to 20 million. So there's still another 3 to 4x depending on how much money you decide to invest in it. Now keep in mind, once the pre-sale comes to an end, there will be a big thing that you guys should be paying attention to, which is if you decide to stake the token, you receive a 216% return per annum, which is obviously going to go down over time as more and more people buy into the token. And the best thing why this token is going to do some big numbers is this. I have been mentioning AI is going to be taking over and meme coins are going to be taking over the crypto industry. So this token is trying to play with both of them, and that's where this token is going to be playing some big cards. And when I talk about AI, they're talking about AI enhanced trading. Now trading, especially leverage trading, is extremely hard. A lot of people lose a lot of money. If we have AI that will be able to help become predictive and even help the noobs which are just starting off with crypto to become better traders, this will be the best way everyone will be able to make good profit. With seamless swap and also zero fees with MAV protection, you guys know this AI trading technology is going to go or become very viral very quickly. And when it becomes viral, people will need the token, which is going to be Vener AI, that will be integrated with the AI token. Now once all of that is put in together, what's going to happen? More investment will come into this token, and once the token goes public, there's going to be even more eyeballs on this token. And looking at it right now, you can see Crypto News, Inside Bitcoin, Technopedia, they have already featured this token. It's made it to some big names. Now if you talk about the tokenomics, 30% go to pre-sale, 20% for staking. So if you decide to stake your token, that's going to be used to give you your reward, 20% to marketing and 20% to community rewards. So you can see that step 3 is going to be the best part, which is the token listing. Long wait is over. Vener launches on the global exchange platform, and the trading bot will also be launching around the same time. At the same time, if you do want to buy this token, simply make your way to the website. The link will be in the description. Then you just need to click on connect your wallet, select how much you want to transfer to Vener AI, and then you guys will get the token. Once the token has been received, you can just click on staking. You'll come to this and you can stake your token for 200% return at the moment. If you look at their Twitter, it is verified with 12,000 followers. You can see that they just achieved that 5 million very recently, and that has 8,000 views in just 14 hours. So there's a lot of people that are paying attention to this token, and especially a lot of big whales. The Telegram has over 9,000 subscribers, and even their audit says there is no problem with this token. I mean, literally nothing. Critical, high, medium, no problem at all. I personally feel like this is still the beginning. This token has so much potential. You just need to get in early as soon as possible. If you do want to check it out, the link will be in the description. Only one day before the price goes up even more. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.